Hey Kenny, how you doing? Hey, I spoke with Margie this morning and told her I was going to go ahead and shoot you guys over a short video showing exactly what we found that your bigger competitors are doing online to generate so many leads, and most importantly, show you how you and your team can do the very same thing. And all said and done, Kenny, it comes down to three simple strategies. And you might be asking yourself, well, why am I willing to go ahead and share this information with you? And it's because I know how valuable this information is, and I know that you guys can implement these same strategies yourself, but there is a chance that you might decide to go ahead and have me do that for you. And so what my job is here today is to show you exactly what your competition is doing online to generate so many leads, show you guys how you can do it yourself, and then let you decide whether you want to do it yourself or if you'd rather just go ahead and have me do it for you. So what I'm going to do is just show you how important this is, that what they are doing, and let you know that you guys can do that yourself. So when it comes down to it, there's three simple strategies, and it all comes down to doing exactly what Google wants us to do in order for them to go ahead and rank your website. And what that means is just get your website out there in front of your customers. Okay, and so number one that Google has is content. And you guys have a good looking website here. You really do. It's got some good, your testimonials on there, everything that you guys do and your services, how to contact you, and so on. And so when I talk about content, it's the number of words that you have on your website on that very front page. And if I go ahead and look at your front page there, you've got 991 words of content. What Google is looking for here is about 1,500 words of content. Now, even more important than content is the number of keywords that you have in there. And so right now I'm showing that you guys on your website have 402 keywords. Okay, not bad at all. If I were to go ahead and look at your number one competitor out there, Airmasters, using this tool here called Ahrefs, which is available to you as well, they've got 866 organic keywords. And so they've got just a little bit more than double the amount of keywords, and that might be why when you do a Google search that they usually come up in the first position. One of the reasons why. Okay, so number two is another thing here that we're looking at right here on the front page is backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are the number of outside websites that are referring links to your website. So right now you're showing about 986 backlinks, which is pretty decent. Okay, if I were to go ahead and compare that to Airmasters again, they've got 189 referring domains, and they've got over 5,000 backlinks. Okay, so there's another reason why they're coming up front. Now, what can we do about that? We've already talked about content. You can add a little bit more content with key organic words and keywords in there to help make sure your website is relevant. We can go ahead and increase our backlinks by going ahead and doing our research here with Ahrefs and finding out that, for example, with Airmasters, you can go ahead and contact every one of these backlinks that they have and say, hey, listen, you guys are sending business to Airmasters, and I'd like to go ahead and have you provide a link to my website as well. That'll generate some authority for you guys, and so that you can get ranked better with Google. Okay. Okay. Number three on our list is what you call citations. Now, what citations are is the number of directories that your business happens to be listed in, okay, like Yellow Pages and Yelp and White Pages and all of those. Now, if I do a Google search under AC Repair Tampa, I come up with a number of businesses right here in the very front called the Map Pack, and here's Airmasters showing up there. Now, why are they there and why are you not there? Okay, a lot of that has to do with the fact that they've met the criteria when it comes to keywords, when it comes to backlinks, and number three would be citations. They probably listed in over 100 to 150 directories online, and that's given them authority. Okay, and there's actually over 300 directories that you can actually be a part of. And so, much the same way as we just handled the deal with backlinks, you can use a tool called Majestic and find out exactly what directories, okay, Airmasters is listed in, and you can contact each and every one of these directories and say, hey, listen, I want to be listed as well. And you go ahead and fill out that information and submit it, and one by one you can go ahead and get you all listed in there as well. So basically, to sum it all up, what we're looking here for then is having 1,500 words of content on your front page using relevant keywords, buyer intent keywords, and so it shows that you guys have authority, and that way Google will go ahead and recognize that. Number two would be backlinks, and backlinks are where you get that outside authority saying, hey, we are an authority in this industry. We have all of these other people out here that are referring business to us, because we know what we're doing and we're professionals. And number 3 would be citations. Go ahead and contact each one of those online directories and submitting your information and getting that handled. So those 3 simple things, okay? Now, I hope you found this information not just valuable and interesting, but also critical to be able to get your website listed on the front page when people do a Google search, okay? It doesn't take much, it just takes a little bit of time. It's things that you guys can handle on your own if you'd like, but again, if you feel like you would rather focus your time and your energies on your business and let me go ahead and handle things like this, I would be more than happy to do that. Now, my name is Joe, and you can reach me at 813-797-4433, and I'm with Eagle 2 Digital, and we'd love to help you guys make a difference and help you stand out. So please give me a call if you desire, and I appreciate you guys taking the time to listen to this, and let me know what you decide. Just go ahead and respond to my email, and I would appreciate that. I'd love to help you. Thank you.